Hi everyone, today I'm going to be using these foam rabbit shapes. You get 8 in a pack from the works for £1, and I'm just going to create an Easter bunny using these. So we're going to start off by using a hot glue gun because it's a lot faster than sewing, but you can sew if that's what you want to do. So place a little bit of hot glue around the edges of the ear. And then you take another foam shape and just stick it down like that. So what's important is that you leave a little space here or wherever you want, just an open space so that you can put some toy stuffing in. I can't reach up here and I'm using a little wooden stick to just push some toy stuffing up in the areas I can't get to. So when you've put in as much stuffing as you like and you're happy with the look, you just want to seal the little space that we have open. So now we have our rabbit all stuffed, and now I'm just going to decorate. So I'm adding one more detail to the rabbit, but that is an optional step and you can just leave it here. See what I mean? It's just added that detail that I really wanted. It was missing something and I knew it was this. And no one will ever know that you've hot glued it. So here it is, guys, the finished rabbit. I'm really liking it. I think he's so cute. Is it a he? Is it a she? I don't know. But I'm loving it. It's just so cute and just it brings joy and it makes me smile. I hope it does to you guys too. And if you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, please do stick around and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know every time I upload. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. Bye! I just think it's something that will make the rabbit